independence. Fuel your car with American-made energy. Fact, electricity is made from largely domestic sources, helping to reduce the dependence on foreign oil. So we can save our dollars. We can have our own energy. Next is energy, the ride. Enjoy the ride. See, since there is no noise, no fumes, nothing, you can really go on the roads without any pollution, and there will be no health problem, nothing will be there. Electric vehicles owners tend to have higher satisfactory levels with their cars compared to non-electric vehicle owners. So this is very important point. Driving electric is a win-win situation for the utilities and their customers. So it is both are happy. Customers are happy, utilities are happy, and more cars will be sold. India, the first electric car was Riva from Bangalore. Now Hyundai car has come. Hyundai is hardly 2 hours from Chennai as you go from Chennai to Vellore. And the only thing is, it is bit costly now. With time, the cost will come down. Similarly, the Tesla has come to India to manufacture electric cars. The Tesla produce electric car will be very good. It will be cheaper and it will be faster. It will be more efficient. Yes. Next slide, please. Can you change the slide? Electric vehicle types. Can you make it bigger font, sir? Is it possible? Can you make it bigger? Occupy the whole screen here?
No, sir, we can't able to change that.
You can't do that. Okay, don't worry. I hope you will be able to read it. Can you read this?
Electrical vehicle types. First one is plug-in hybrid electrical vehicle. Plug-in hybrid electrical vehicle, electric motor and IC engine, electric range 10 to 40 miles, blended electric or gas at higher speed 2 to 9 kilowatts. Example, Perez plug-in.
Very good. So next, second, middle column. Second column you can read now.
Second one is extended range.
Extended range electric vehicles. EREV.
EREV. Electric vehicle with extended range. All electric for 35 to 40 miles. Gas generated for 300 plus miles. 8 to 10 kilowatts.
1 mile is 1.6 kilometer. Everybody knows that. Yeah, please go ahead.
Next one is battery electric vehicle, BEV.
No, this is right. Gas.
Sir?
Third line, you read.
Third
okay.
One.
Then come to the last column. Yeah.
Battery electric vehicle. Yeah, sir. Battery electric vehicle powered by electricity only. Electric range for 80 to 300, zero emissions, 16 to 85 kilowatts. Example, Nissan Leaf, Tesla S. DP.
More coming to market this year. So 2021, more and more models are coming in India and in abroad. And I think the cost is going to be lower and lower. There is an electric scooter also. There is an electric scooty also. So it's not only electric car. Electric vehicles include car, scooter, bike, scooty, everything. So you don't have to worry about the pollution. You don't have to worry about the maintenance. Maintenance is good. You don't have to go to the petrol pump. Only thing is you have to charge the battery. Recently, I examined one PhD thesis on battery charging. So if you want, I can send you a copy so that you can ask your students to do project on that. Electric vehicle, electric charging. If you go from Pune to Bombay, there are 12 charging stations. So everywhere now there are charging stations. And we need more and more. In India, there are 1,000 charging stations. In fact, there is a swapping of batteries. You can swap the batteries, or you can charge it or at your home also in the night time, or your office also. Daytime you can charge them. That will save your money, and office will help you in charging. Even your house you can charge it in the night time, and daytime it is ready to take off. Another thing is electric motors. Is very important topic for electric car. I'm sure you must be having a course, electric machines. I have 5th edition coming, electric machines. You can read that. I got 5th edition on modern power system analysis, where I have given a full chapter on electric vehicles. Then the CRC Press, one book has come on electric vehicles. Kindly read that book so that you are no way inferior to anybody in India. And jobs. Main point about the students is job. I think electric vehicles will give you a lot of job. Another thing you can do jobs is kindly do hardware project in your final year, and you must all appear in GATE exam. The GATE exam takes place in February 2022 now. This year it was organized by IIT Bombay, and I don't know how many of you appeared. Now 3rd-year students can also appear in GATE exam. Then I'll request all of you to appear in IAS and IES exam, UPSC, so that you can become Secretary Government of India. You can become Chairman Railway Board, and you can serve to Tamil Nadu or rest of the country, wherever you want. NPE, new education policy, NEP. According to that, now you can study in your mother tongue also. So my request to all of you is start writing books in Tamil, because tomorrow there will be big market. You can translate my books in Tamil. I also know a bit of Tamil because of the Vellore, like Rumbanella Erika, Ni Vitak Forum, Wango, Wakarango, like that, So I can also join you in translating in Tamil. All my books can be translated by UP. You will start getting a royalty also. So this is another new dimension that has been added in for faculty. They can start writing books in Tamil or whatever your mother tongue is. If you are Telugu, then Telugu. If you are Kannada, then Kannada. If you are Malayalam, then Malayalam. Malayalam and Tamil similar. Kannada and Telugu is similar. In Malayalam, it is Pogam. In Tamilian, it is Pogama. Polama. That is Pogam. So not much difference is there. You can do that. Next slide, please. If any teacher wants to go abroad, please let me know. I can send you New Zealand, Australia, Malaysia, South Africa, UK, Imperial College London, Norway, then UAE, Dubai, where IPL is going to take place, or Muscat, Oman, or Doha, Qatar, or USA. My students are everywhere. So any teacher wants to go abroad, kindly let me know. Then I am an editor of 4 journals. So you can send your paper to me. One journal is Acta Press. Second is Iranian Journal of Electrical and Electronics Engineering. Third is IEEE Access. Fourth is there is a Kolkata Journal. So these 4 journals I am editor. In fact, I am editor-in-chief for Acta Press. Acta Press is a Canadian journal. If you send there, I'll try to help you. Yes, please. The next slide. Yes, electric vehicle charging infrastructure. Very important topic. AC charging, DC fast charging. See, power electronics has played a great role in electric vehicles. I'm sure you must have all read Power Electronics. AC charging, home, fleet and public use. Type level 1, level 2. Power 120 volt, 1.4 megawatt, kilowatt, sorry, and 12 ampere. Then 120 volt, 1.9 kilowatt, and then 16 ampere. That is level 1. Level 2 is 240 volts up to 19.2 kilowatt and 50 ampere. Power is over. Charge time 3 to 5 miles. Then 3.3 kilowatt to 19 to 14 miles. 6.6 kilowatt, 20 to 25 miles. 1 mile is 1.6 kilometer. The US is still following mile. They're still following Fahrenheit. We are following centigrade temperature, and we are also following kilometer. We are following the British system. The 9.6 kilowatt, 40 to 45 miles, 19.2 kilowatt up to 60 miles. DC fast charging, public and large fleet use. See, all cabinet ministers have been asked to use electric cars. Our Honorable Gadkari ji is using electric car in Nagpur. He is a wonderful minister on road transport, etc. He is bringing flyovers, and then he is also bringing electric trains from Bombay to Nagpur, 6 hours. Did you know most plug-in electric vehicles can be charged on a household outlet overnight? I told you this. Night time, when you sleep, you can charge your car in your own house. Vehicles can be charged in a number of ways, characterized by the speed of the charge. Selection should be based on site characteristics and the typical needs of the users. See, you can be a domestic user, a commercial user, industrial user. You can be intra-city travel. Intercity travel from Salem to Coimbatore is intercity. From within Salem is intra-city. So depends on what is your use. You can purchase the vehicle, you can charge it. Cost and competency tends to increase the faster the charging level. So it's a very good, important topic. I'm really thankful to you for selecting this topic for your FDP. And kindly start teaching electric vehicle in final year. Let it be what you call compulsory, or it can be elective course, whatever. Free elective. Free elective means you need mechanical people here. You need computer people here. You need communication people here. So all branches can take this course, and that's why it is called free elective. I'm sure you must be having a CGPA system. So CGPA means you can have grade, excellent, outstanding, very good, good, fair, fail. I hope nobody fails. Everybody will study hard so that nobody fails in your college. Annapurna. And next slide, please. Charging locations. More than 80% of residential and fleet charging is done at home. Home is best. Home is a sweet home, your own home. You can control everything there. Home refueling, charging overnight at home for personal vehicles and at work for fleet vehicles. If it is a fleet vehicle, you can do at workplace. For example, Annapurna College, you can charge your vehicle. For example, BHEL, for example, NTPC, for example, NHPC, with whichever industries are there in your Salem or around, or Chennai, you can go there and get it charged.